That's how it turns too. And the left aileron, it'd go this way. And then have the rudder here. The rudder's right here. That's a right rudder and a left rudder.
Oh,
so
okay.
don't worry about the rudder right
Okay.
now. It's got an axis like that, so it's going to turn like this. Okay? And the elevator, it's going to go like this. And the axis is right on that center point where you balance the plane, okay? I was going to tell Jay too that they do make a small plane club, and I haven't seen one out here yet. Might have to get a picture one. They come in a box. You know, they're Spectrum equipment. Usually you get it. Enable the motor and put you at half throttle.
Okay.
All right. So you won't have to do that when I switch controls. Watching. Now this plane just has enough power to fly around with a little bit of authority, so it's not overpowered, okay? I'm going to turn around here to get it going away from us because it's easier for you to control.